The Jaguar Park, a historical, cultural, and environmental project, is underway in Tulum. The surface of 1,000 hectares is already protected by a perimeter bar that will prevent future invasions of the park. In addition, stages like the cycle path, pedestrian walkway, service modules, and new lighting on Coba Avenue have been completed. Inside the park, the Avenida Costera Mobility Improvement Project continues, with 92% progress. This part of the project also includes the improvement of public access to the Santa Fe, Fisherman, Maya, and Mangrove beaches, which are 92% complete. The linen modules are 98% complete. Here, there will be rest and contemplation areas, and they will have direct access to the archaeological zone. In the southern access section, one of the new main entrances to the park, there is 95% progress. A new viewing tower is also being built here that will be a regional architecture reference for Tulum. Work is underway to recover emblematic spaces such as the old lighthouse, which had been abandoned and will soon again be accessible to the public. Progress is also being made on new roads and trails that will allow pedestrians to explore new sections of the archaeological zone, and that will be connected to the vestige route, which is already 34% complete. We are recovering the airfield, which will include a path, cycle path, and buffer zone with vegetation, which is 66% complete. The connection between the Jaguar Park and the Mayan train is also being built, where progress has already been made with the medium voltage work and path clearing. Considering that this Mayan influence area is the most visited in the world, the new Museum for Mayan Culture and the most important service center for visitors is advancing, with a 53% completion. The Jaguar Park in Tulum is progressing well.